Hands tired from holding your iPad all day? Meet the perfect iPad stand. Adjustable angles for comfortable viewing, reading, or video calls. Looking for a flexible, sturdy, and high-quality tablet mount? Meet the Octalinks, a premium tablet mounting system designed to keep your iPad secure while offering maximum adjustability. Let's check it out. The Octalinks is built with durability and versatility in mind. It features a sleek, lightweight design with a strong yet flexible arm, allowing you to position your tablet exactly where you need it. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or creative tasks, this mount ensures a stable and comfortable viewing experience. With its 360-degree rotation and multi-angle adjustability, the Octalinks gives you complete control over your viewing position. Tilt, swivel, or rotate your iPad effortlessly, whether you're standing, sitting, or lying down. This mount adapts to your needs. The best part? The Octalinks is universally compatible with most iPads and tablets. Whether you're using an iPad Pro, Air, Mini, or another brand, the Lynx securely holds your device in place. Perfect for video calls, digital drawing, watching movies, or even using as a second screen. Looking for a flexible, portable, and ergonomic tablet stand? Meet the Vine Bendable Tablet Stand, the perfect solution for hands-free viewing, whether you're working, watching, or creating. Let's check it out. The Vine Bendable Tablet Stand features a sleek and flexible design, allowing you to position your tablet exactly where you need it. Its bendable neck lets you adjust the height and angle effortlessly, ensuring maximum comfort and reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. One of the best features of the Vine stand is its incredible flexibility. You can bend, twist, and shape it into any position for the perfect viewing angle. Whether you're sitting, standing, or lounging, this stand adapts to your needs instantly. The Vine Bendable Tablet Stand is compatible with most tablets and smartphones, making it a versatile addition to your workspace, kitchen, or entertainment setup. Looking for a sleek, secure, and ultra-convenient way to mount your iPad Pro? Meet the MagBox iPad Pro Mount, a magnetic mounting solution that blends seamlessly into your workspace or home. Let's check it out. The MagBox iPad Pro Mount features a minimalist and elegant design that complements your iPad Pro perfectly. With its strong magnetic attachment, you can effortlessly mount your device on walls, desks, or any magnetic surface for a clutter-free and modern setup. The powerful built-in magnets ensure a secure and stable hold, keeping your iPad Pro firmly in place while allowing for quick detachment when needed. Whether you're working, drawing, or watching content, this mount keeps your device exactly where you want it. The MagBox iPad Pro mount is designed for multiple viewing angles and versatile use. Whether you're using it for productivity, entertainment, or creative work, it adapts to your needs instantly. Want to take your iPad experience to the next level? Meet the Smart Connector for iPad, a seamless way to connect accessories like keyboards and docks without the hassle of Bluetooth or charging. Let's check it out. The Smart Connector is a built-in, 3-pin interface on the side of compatible iPads, designed for instant and reliable accessory connections. No pairing, no extra batteries, just a simple plug-and-play experience. Looking for the ultimate way to enhance your iPad experience? Meet the iNVZ iMag Hub 3, the all-in-one iPad stand that combines magnetic docking, multiple ports, and an ergonomic design to take your productivity to the next level. The iNVZ iMag Hub 3 features a sleek and sturdy aluminum build, giving it a modern and professional look. The strong magnetic attachment ensures a secure and stable hold for your iPad, making it perfect for work, creativity,